What's up, mini truckers? Ben here, Houston Mini Trucks. Got the Project Acty. This one came with a propane carburetor, so we're not being able to get it started. We're gonna get this thing taken apart. Probably I'll just start undoing this. Alright. Okay, one of the things I just fixed, it had a super wobbly shaft, and this piece had slid down, so it just fits in this little spacer. I kind of got a little screwdriver here to see if I could tap it up, so I'm gonna probably put it here and tap it up, and I'll get back. Alright, we got our super wobbly steering fixed. You see how this is now flush? So it's essentially, but before, this whole piece was wobbling within this outer shroud, but it didn't have this piece hooked in. So there's supposed to be a little plastic cover here. It's got two clips, one on this side and one right there. It's tucked up on the underneath. So Project Acty, we're getting that. Let me show you around real quick. It's definitely a piece. We've got this piece that's missing. The antenna's jacked. It's got rust right here. Some sort of body damage. I'm not sure what's happening with this. The windshield wipers are messed up. I mean, have you ever seen? I've never even seen one so worn out. Got some rust right there. I'm probably gonna pull the windshield wipers off because the stock is messed up. If you see in there, it's broken off. It'll just have to be a dry time Acty or something. Some body damage here. A little more something there. The inside's not too bad. It's really dirty, but a lot of times you see rust here on these sills. The other one's got a hole in it, but seat's in good, decent, workable shape. It's got the AC there. You can see that stock. Okay. I'm missing that radiator reservoir. The battery terminals are missing. You got something here. Doesn't start, doesn't run. The exhaust is all chewed up. There's no air filter. Some sort of vacuum line just dangling down. It's gonna be fun. The fuel tank's not hooked up. The fuel pump has been bypassed and rigged up. I just pulled those wires off. There's no fuel filter. Should be right there. No fuel tank. It's got some huge dent right there. The headache rack is messed up. Missing the side, all the side gates. But it does have some good things. It's got me some all-weather floor mats, which I can use in one of the other trucks. I can clean them up. It's got these cool wheels. I was surprised these actually fit. They're 23 by 10 by 12. And they fit in the back. They don't fit in the front. So it won't take us long. We'll get this thing going. It's not ever going to be a showpiece, but the first thing I did is pulled the old carb off. I thought it was about to start raining, so they had some carburetor. This is kind of what we're dealing with. Some rigged up wires. Had a bunch of bypasses. The fuel line's cut. So I'll keep you posted, but we did get the steering fixed, so we're knocking one thing down at a time. Let me show you the fuel tank real quick. Bring it over here. This is a Honda Acty fuel tank. It sits in the car like this, so you normally have the fuel, the gas cap. This had a little bit of rust in it, so I'm trying to see if you can see in there. It's gonna be hard, but I've got it soaking in some vinegar now. I've got to get some more and try to fill it up. It's an 8-gallon tank, so I've only put 1 gallon of vinegar in, but I'll keep you updated. Hope you're enjoying it. Happy mini trucking. Bye. Hey mini truckers, Ben here, showing you what not to do. I just working on the project Acty. Somebody's bypassed. This is supposed to be a huge fuse going across here, so we're gonna undo that. It's one thing to rig things up, but when you make them completely unsafe, it's just stupid. Alright, get you something like this. It's gonna sit in there. It's a Busman 40 amp. Because it doesn't fit perfectly on there, you have to kind of waller these holes out a little bit. I did a terrible job, so that's that. Okay.